This website provides you with virtually endless income potential. And underneath it, you can see that it is completely free to join up here. And the platform you've just seen, gentlemen, is one you'll want to use to be rewarded big time. Not only will I guide you through the entire process step by step, but I will also teach you how to set this up on autopilot to generate money over and over again while you do nothing. So keep an eye on everything. So with everything out of the way, before we move to today's video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell for getting notifications once I upload a new video like this one. We teach you here tips and tricks to make money online in 2022. So let's get started on this tutorial. Today, I've got a very fantastic one for you that I know a lot of you will like. This strategy revolves around a website called Gearbest.com. This is the website you have all seen in the intro prior. And what this basically is, for those of you who don't know, is a platform very similar to Amazon.com. So you can come on here and then buy anything you want to. As you can see on the left-hand side here, their products range from cell phones and accessories to computers to products about health and so on. There are just too many for me to read out loud for you. With that being said, though, since you're not here to buy anything at all, and you instead want to make money with this website, I won't cover what products you can buy. So let's get to the point. Once you come onto this website, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to click on the associate program right over here. The reason you want to do that is that you will want to promote this website as an affiliate. And the sheer number of great features this site offers makes it that much of a better platform to use to start things off. You can see that they offer 50% commissions. That is not only insane for any website out there, it's especially insane when you compare this platform to the aforementioned Amazon. If you go over to Amazon's affiliate program, you see that they offer commissions that are no higher than 10%. In fact, most are less than 10%. As you can see, it depends on what you're promoting. Point being, guys, that Gearbest has an insane affiliate program. And the reason they're willing to pay affiliates this much, I would bet, is because they're not as popular as they would like to be. And so they're willing to give away 50% of their profits made from affiliates if you can get traffic to them. Another great thing about this website that's important to highlight is the fact that it does work worldwide. Some most countries are indeed accepted, just like it's the case with Amazon.com. With that said, it's worth covering really quick how the affiliate program on this site works. You won't be promoting this website as a whole like normally is the case. Instead, you will be able to grab the affiliate links to specific products, for example, some smartphone or computer, and you'll then share the affiliate link that will take people to that specific product. And when you get a purchase, you will get paid 50% of the product sales price. This is important to mention because it means that your profit per customer will range depending on what item you're promoting. And what makes Gearbest so awesome is the sheer amount of products you can choose from to promote. As you can see, there are over 100,000, so you will have no shortage of products to choose from. And thanks to a traffic tool I will show you later on, you will be able to make big money online without doing anything once you set this up, so be sure to stick around. Anyways, what I need you to do now is sign up for this site's affiliate program. To do so, first click on Join, now right here. On the following page, they'll ask you to type in your email address and password. The latter you will need to retype, and from here you will proceed to enter in more information about yourself, such as payment info, where you're from, stuff like that. And once you create your new account on this website, guys, it's finally time for you to choose a product that you want to promote. As I said before, you can literally choose anything you want, but you do want to have criteria. The first important thing about a product that you're promoting should be how many people would want to buy it. You want to make sure that what you're promoting a lot of people actually want to purchase, so you can get clicks onto your affiliate link. After all, no matter how good the product is, if nobody wants to purchase it, you won't get anywhere promoting it. The second important thing that you need to focus on would be the product's price. If what you're promoting is a bit more expensive than similar products, then you want to find something else that's a bit cheaper. If you are promoting a smartphone, for example, that's much more expensive than other phones. the chance of you getting many purchases decreases substantially. Lastly, the affiliate commission is important too. As you've heard prior, some products will pay up to 50% commissions if you get traffic to them. But that doesn't mean that everything you are promoting will get you that much money. So be sure to find products that have decent commissions, no less than 30%. To summarize, guys, you want to look for products that people want to buy, products that are not too expensive, that won't deter people, and that are also not too cheap, so that you can actually make some money promoting them. And you want a good affiliate commission. To top it all off, when you made a pick on one product, you want to promote a website you want to go over to is one you probably have never heard about before. It's this one here called Gearbest.com. This basically is a website where you can find products that you might want to purchase. It's extremely useful if you're looking to buy a computer, for example, but you want to try and find the cheapest one. And so, what you would do, instead of going to multiple websites and checking the prices, is you would come here and search for it. And you would be able to find the cheapest one quickly. More importantly for you guys. So on here, you can also advertise a product. And if you think that you would need to pay to do so, the craziest part here is that you do not need to invest a dime to advertise whatever you want on this website, hence why you would want to use it. And for those wondering, you can see on SimilarWeb that this site got nearly 600,000 visits in the past month. And the number of visits has risen since December of last year. So this platform is actually growing more popular. And so, what do you want to do when you come on here, guys? So you can advertise the product from Gearbest and get paid in passive income is just click on a post here. Then click on merchandise and you will then fill out the info about the product you are promoting. Just open up the said product on Gearbest and basically copy-paste all the info that you need. And when you fill in all of this info, you will add your email address down here. When someone contacts you via your email, you will simply send them your affiliate link to the sad product you got over from Gearbest, and chances are you will get a purchase and make money by literally doing no work at all. From here, guys, make as much money as you want. I highly recommend promoting multiple products and just see which ones get the most purchases and focus on those while excluding the ones that don't get you paid. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you liked this video and got value out of it, then support my channel by leaving a thumbs up below. And if you want to do yourselves a favor, you should also check out the 2 videos that will pop up on the screen in a second. You will most likely like them too. Since new videos are uploaded on a daily basis on my channel, you should subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thanks for watching and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.